Okay, good morning. Welcome back to the new same continuation of the same topic, that is parts of plant. Last time we have done a parts of plants regarding the based on science. Today we all are going to do the same another part of plant, that is leaf. Before beginning the topic leaf, I am going to tell you all, or let's recapitulate or revisit a little bit regarding what we have learned in the previous chapter or previous classes or previous videos. Okay, where we found a parts of plant. Okay, I have not drawn pictured anything. Okay, there we found two types of parts, that is shoot system, two systems, that is shoot system and the root system. In the shoot system we saw stem, leaf, fruit, flower, bird and branches, and that all consists of shoot system. And we found the root system. In the root system we found the root, and we found two types of root, that is taproot and the fibrous root. Everything we have already finished, taproot and fibrous root, and we saw the function of root. What all those roots, it upholds the plant and it protects the soil, all these things we have seen. And the structure of stem is the main part of shoot system. Okay, it consists of fruit, flower, everything. Okay, without the stem, okay, and stem only keeps the plant uphold of this tree. Okay, and we found different types of stems, isn't it? Yes, and function of stems also we have seen all these things. Today we all are going to begin with the another topic, that is leaf. It may look very simple, but it has got so many things and so many things to be done for the plant. Let's see. Leaf is a thin and a flat, usually green part. Okay, usually green part of flower which grows from the plants. Okay, or the stem or branches. It may sometimes comes from the branches also, and sometimes from the stem only itself. Okay, now. But most of the time we find leaf green in color, but there are other colors also, like yellow, red, all these things are there. Later on we come across all these things. Now let's see now the parts of leaves. That's what we all are going to learn about. Okay, leaf. The parts of leaf. A thin and a flat surface of a leaf is called leaf blade or the lamina. Okay, and it has got the rib. Okay, the main in between one vein will be there. That main vein is also called the mid ribs, and the handle or whatever the word. Okay, this is called pistil or the stalk. Okay, this is simple. Only three things, parts of leaf. Only these three things are there. Okay, a number of tiny channels will be there. I may not have, okay, I have drawn, but it may not be visible. The a number of small channels runs in the leaf blade or the lamina. That is what. Okay, this works as a function of what? This works as a function. Okay, to carry out the water and the minerals to the all part, from the stalk to the other part of leaf. Okay, let's see now. A number of small openings. Numbers of small openings will be there. The numbers of small openings which we cannot see through our eyes, through our naked eyes. Number of small openings on the hole will be there. Those are called stoma. Stomata. Keep it in your mind. Very important. Stomata. Okay. The presence of stomata in the surface of leaf or the leaf blade or lamina. Okay, what happens? Let's see. Now, they help in the exchange of gases. Let's see. The plants also lose extra water through their stomata. That is why sometimes we can see in the surface of leaf or the leaf blade or the lamina, the small water drops will be there. Okay. Now, exchange of water, very important. Exchange of gases. Now, we have already come across in the classes that plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen, isn't it? So, exchange of exchange of gases is this way. In the presence of stomata, they takes the carbon dioxide and release the oxygens. Okay, why they take the carbon dioxide? All these things I'll let you all know later on. Now, the functions, regarding these functions, I'll tell you everything, okay? Why exchange of gases, all these things. Now, most of the leaves are in green in color due to the presence of pigment color called chlorophyll. Color called chlorophyll. Okay, now, green color of pigment is called, green pigment is called chlorophyll. Okay, this is present in all the green leaves of plants. Okay. Now, it helps to absorb. It helps the leaves, not any fruit or flower, but only to the leaves. It helps the leaves to absorb sunlight in order to make food. Okay. The process by which the green leaves, in the presence of sunlight and the carbon dioxide from the air, and combines it with the water to make food for the plants, is called photosynthesis. Okay. Now, what is photosynthesis? If I ask, in the presence of chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water, the making of food by the plant is also called photosynthesis. Now, therefore, we also call the leaves is the food factory of plant. Food factory of plant. Keep it in your mind. The leaves is also called the food factory of plant. The flower, fruit, and the stem, root. No, none of them prepares or makes food for the plant, but only the leaves. Okay? Okay. That is why leaf is also called the food factory of plant. Okay, now leaves help in the exchange of gases between the surroundings and the plant. Okay, surroundings and the plants. Now, very important. I'm going to give you a sign regarding this exchange of gases. Listen, as we have already come across that plant breathes in carbon dioxide and breathes out oxygens, right? Now, in the presence of carbon dioxide, they prepares or they make food. That is called photosynthesis. Already said. Now, all the human beings or the animals, we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So those carbon dioxide will be absorbed or taken in by the plants with the help of stomata. Okay? Okay. Now, they absorb the carbon dioxide and they prepare the food. That is called photosynthesis, and they gives out the oxygens. Okay, that oxygens again we breathe in, and we again give carbon dioxide. So we and plants, we are related with this exchange of gases. Okay, some plants like cabbage, lettuce, spinach, all they absorb their food in their leaves. That's why we take as vegetables and all. Some plants like cabbage and lettuce, etc. All this thing, they store food in their leaves itself. Okay, and in the plants, the other plants, they prepare the food in the leaves and gives out through the pistil or the stalk to the other part of a plant. And some plants they absorb their food in their root. Some they absorb their food in the stem. Some in the fruit or the seed. All these things are there. Okay, this much for today. Let's recapitulate because it will be very too much for you all. Okay, last time we have seen the parts of plants. I'm not going to tell anything. Let's see the parts of leaf, where we found three part. That is first one, pistil or the stalk. That is the base part of leaf, and we found the leaf blade or the lamina or the surface of leaf, and the main vein. This mid leaves or the main vein divides the leaves into two equal parts. Okay, and this is what mid veins. And the functions: in the presence of green pigment called chlorophyll, they absorb the sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and the presence of water, they make food for themselves. And that is why that process is called the photosynthesis. So the leaf can make the food by themselves. That is why the leaf is also called the food factory of plant. And the exchange of gases I have already said, like they takes in the carbon dioxide and gives out the oxygens, and we takes in oxygen and gives out the carbon dioxide. And some leaves are there, they store their leaf food in their leaves. Example like lettuce, cabbage, and all. That's all for today. Now you all can check your homework or assignment, whatever I'm going to give through the website, or you may call me through my number. You may be having my number, so you all can come call me for any doubts. Okay, till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.